E-Flame USA Regal Electric Fireplace Review. "22-inch portable electric fireplace. A charm reminiscent of the wood stoves of the past. The Regal electric stove from E-Flame USA delivers a classic front and dancing flame. No need to worry about chimney fires, expensive fuel and messy ashes of a real wood stove. With the Regal, you just place it where you want and plug it into any standard household outlet. This perfect for use in some rooms, offices, family rooms or anywhere you need extra heat. Equipped with a powerful fan-forced heater, you can reduce your central furnace temperature and cut your heating cost. It's enhanced by the realistic matte black finish and subtle chrome highlights. You will love the Regal's powerful heater on chilly nights. It can warm a room up to 400 square feet. And stays cool to the touch so children and pets stay safe. You can also use this stove without the heater for year-round enjoyment. Why choose an E-Flame USA stove? This compact stove gives you traditional stove warmth and ambience on a smaller scale. Quiet, fan-forced heater with high-low settings for even heat distribution, and the flame operates with or without heat. The proprietary 3D effect gives the fire its depth and dancing flames. This electric fireplace uses 90% less energy than gas fireplaces to produce visual flames. No combustion means no greenhouse gases. E-Flame USA stoves add a charm reminiscent of the wood stoves of the past. Regal electric fireplace specs: maximum efficiency, 1500 watt normal bulbs, 2 times 40 watt. Power cord, 2 MCSA certified. Note: this model no longer comes with a remote. The door swings open, you can see the realistic glow of wood through the vents. The heat is blown out by a heater fan attached to the underside of the fireplace. It's pretty quiet and does a good job at heating up the small room. I personally like the look of the flame and logs and run it a lot without the fan on. It's great at night to add a little color. And feel to the room I've put it in. It's lightweight yet seems to be constructed very well. Packaging was great and it came double boxed, which was nice. Setup was very easy. It comes with 4 plastic legs and 8 screws. This is very attractive fireplace heater. It's very sturdy. To purchase E-Flame USA Regal electric fireplace, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. E-Flame USA Regal Electric Fireplace Review. 22-inch portable electric fireplace. A charm reminiscent of the wood stoves of the past. The Regal electric stove from E-Flame USA delivers a classic front and dancing flame.